It's the finale Sunday. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this Big Brother Naija All-Star Season finale day. I say day hard. Today we're going to crown our winner for the All-Star Season, who takes the GMT Innocent 5 car, takes all expense paid trip for 2, all the supplies or whatever, 120 million. There won't be a house this time, but of course it is what it is. So that show will be starting by 7 p.m. West African time, 6 p.m., 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. in the different African times, right? So of course, aside that, it is what it is, right? In this particular video, I'm going to let you know all the fights back and forth and jealousy and panic attacks that happen. So of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification, and every post I make, don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Now guys, I do not attach Big Brother Naija videos to my video. You can go on other channel, watch it, and then come back and we can banter, right? So CeeC apparently beefed Pere over Cross and Kim Opera. Now, according to her, after the party in the dressing room, she was telling Pere how Pere was okay being the third wheel, the backup man when it comes to Kim Opera. The way he treated her, CeeC, wasn't cool. How would Pere go on and be, trying to have conversations or interfere with Kim Opera, and Cross trying to vibe and get back together on the energy and vibe that they were, seeing that her, CeeC, and Pere are in a good place now. Now, of course, Pere didn't have anything to say. He could not defend himself. All he was trying to do was just like, it's not like that. He was just like, trying to vibe with his friend that he's known for a few years. But CeeC was not taking it because, according to her, she was hot. She felt left out, and it just felt some kind of way like, I don't understand. You're cool with being the third wheel for these people, and you think I would also come and be third wheel for you and Kim Opera? That's not going to work. You didn't even give them space to reconnect, to vibe, knowing that these two people were really into each other and they like each other so much. See, at some point, Pere was literally lost for words. He was lost for words. He didn't know exactly what to say to defend himself or, make CeeC understand that it was not that deep. And then moving on from that, of course, CeeC still beefed him over Doyin. Now, what was the thing? Yeah, remember what happened between Pere and Doyin before Doyin was evicted from the show. They had a quarrel that led Pere to punch the wall. Now, it was so close to her face that if not because of self-control or that she had moved back, she would have been punched by him, and it was crazy. I'm sure she's still feeling quite traumatic about that. And here was Pere, vibing with her on the dance floor, smiling and dancing with her, then came close and knelt down. While he was trying to kneel down, she was telling him, no. He knelt down and begged and apologized in the best way possible for what he had done. And then here was, CeeC beefing him that she was disappointed that he would go and kneel down and beg her for what? Like, why would he beg Doyin? It was out of place. And Pere could actually defend himself in this point. He said he did that because he needed to do what he needed to do, because let it be that for posterity's sake, he had fulfilled really apologizing for what he did wrong. And aside that, nothing was going to join them together. That was just what it was going to be. I'm like, okay, daddy, it is what it is. And then talking about Pere and CeeC again, CeeC was seen having a conversation with Adekunle and Cross, talking about how she feels the perceived ship between Pere and CeeC was rather fake, because it wasn't genuine. And why would that such a bond and love and whatever come in the last week of Big Brother Naija show? Like, how does it happen? For all the first 8, 7, 9 weeks, nothing happened. That it is all lost. All they want is to hit on each other. And she will not be surprised that after the show, they will just get, it is a room 101 case. And they were laughing it off. She went on to add that if because of this ship any of them wins, she's going to be hurt. She would not like it. She would know that it would be partiality, and she would drag them online. Of course they were laughing about it, but when it came to the fact that she was talking about if either of them wins, it's going to hurt her, it seems like CeeC is having a panic attack over who will win the show. Now, she was seen this morning talking to Pere in the dressing room about how she doesn't know how it's going to go. She really wants to win this, but if she does not win it, she hopes she will take it in a good light, but she can't think straight. She's trying to clear her mind that who might win this. Oh, she has invested so much that, you know, she doesn't want to get to the point of regretting that why did she come to the show, that it would be worthless that she came and then get to win. That's how she feels, but it is what it is. She has gotten a car, and you know, she'll just keep a positive spirit. Whoever wins, be it her or another person, that she'll try and take it in a good light. And I'm like, oh my god, girl, you have a lot of things going through, but it is what it is. And talking about, you know, issues with the housemates, there was almost a little buzz between Cross and Ilebaye this morning. So Big Brother gave them a briefing on how they would be styled by stylists in the Lush salon. That's the cubicle for the Lush stuff, and that their hairs will be styled and stuff. And before that, they had planned on keeping the house clean. And here was Cross telling people, okay, you guys will do this, you guys will do that. And he turned to Ilebaye and was like, Ilebaye, you would handle the kitchen, you join them in the kitchen and you would wash plates. And she was like, nah, I'm not doing it. She was nodding her head. I was like, I don't understand. Please, now just do it. People have been washing plates throughout the season. On Thursday, I think Pere and CeeC did it. The other day, Adekunle did it. And it's not out of place if you did it. Even me, I've been doing it almost throughout the season. Just wash the plates. It's not a big deal. She said she was not going to do it. She was really pissed at yesterday's coin issue and what Adekunle said to her. Adekunle said he was going to do the washing. CeeC said she was going to join him. Although it was petty of Ilebaye to be denying just common washing plates, it is what it is. Now, of course, Cross actually threatened that she's going to regret this, her attitude, when they're done with the show. Now, I don't know if he's coming from he and other housemates are going to be tacky towards Ilebaye, or that how viewers are going to be the one who are going to drag her online. But either way, it was coming off very beneath him. Like, I'm like, because of washing plates. Yes, it was wrong of her to say she'll not wash plates. It's showing that she's very childish. But you saying that she's going to regret it, you guys are going to do this or that, like, where's that coming from? Like, honestly, where's that coming from? Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you on this particular video. Y'all know that today I'm just going to be dropping it back to back to back to back. And of course, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button to for notification, and every post I make, don't forget to share, comments down below, and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Know that I'll give you the finale update hot, fast, and quick. So stick around and don't forget to share to your friends. See you on the next one.